Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I'm Evan, and I'm glad you're here to wrap up the day's market action. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's get right into it. The biggest story today is Trade Desk. Shares took a massive hit, dropping over 20%. The company missed earnings and revenue expectations, and the market is reacting to a flurry of analyst downgrades as investors worry about their ad tech growth prospects. Cloudflare, on the other hand, is having a stellar day. The stock surged after a strong earnings report where they beat expectations and highlighted that non-human traffic from AI agents now makes up over half of their network traffic, a major milestone. ServiceNow is also seeing positive momentum, up over 6%, as investors refocus on the company's robust enterprise software fundamentals and accelerating AI adoption. Airbnb shares are soaring, up over 17% after a beat on both top and bottom lines, fueled by record bookings from the recent World Cup. Finally, SPCX is up over 15%, with the market seemingly shrugging off the massive share unlock that occurred this week, signaling strong institutional appetite. Looking at the broader market, today was a day for the bulls. The Nasdaq led the charge, closing up over 1%, while the Dow and S&P also finished in the green. The primary catalyst was an unexpected contraction in the July jobs report. With the economy shedding 23,000 jobs, investors are betting that the Federal Reserve will have more room to cut interest rates, which is providing a nice tailwind for risk assets and tech stocks. In the AI economy, the big talk is around infrastructure. NVDA is making waves at the Future of Memory and Storage conference, open sourcing its Q-File APIs to help standardize how AI data moves. This move, backed by partners like Google, Intel, and Meta, is a clear play to solidify their platform as the backbone of AI-native data centers. Meanwhile, the industry is still grappling with a talent shortage, with reports suggesting that the number of elite engineers capable of turning AI potential into actual revenue remains critically low. For other stocks in focus, it's been an earnings-heavy day. Vistra Corp reaffirmed its full-year guidance and announced a major new data center partnership with NVIDIA and KKR. Take-Two Interactive is up 6% after reporting strong bookings, with investors clearly looking ahead to the massive launch of the next Grand Theft Auto title later this year. OKLO also had a big move, jumping nearly 15% as a revenue beat overshadowed a wider-than-expected loss. Finally, Fluor Corporation surged nearly 17% after delivering strong second-quarter results and announcing significant new project awards. To wrap up, we saw a market buoyed by labor data that has investors dreaming of rate cuts, while individual stocks like Cloudflare, Airbnb, and Fluor are seeing huge moves on the back of strong quarterly results. It's been a busy day in the markets. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if there's a stock or sector you want me to cover next time. And for your stock recommendations, don't forget to visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening.